Hydrographic surveys deal with the mapping of A. Large water bodies, B. Heavenly bodies, C. Mountainous region, D. Canal system. The correct answer is large water bodies. If h is the difference in level between endpoints separated by L, then the slope correction is. The second term may be neglected if the value of h in a 20 m distance is less than a m, b 1 m, c 2 m, d 3 m. The correct answer is 3 m. An ideal vertical curve to join two gradients is A. Circular, B. Parabolic, C. Elliptical, D. Hyperbolic. The correct answer is parabolic. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. The eyepiece plays no part in defining the line of sight. B. The diaphragm plays no part in defining the line of sight. C. The optical center of the objective plays no part in defining the line of sight. D. None of these. The correct answer is the eyepiece plays no part in defining the line of sight. The intercept of a staff. A is maximum if the staff is held truly normal to the line of sight. B is minimum if the staff is held truly normal to the line of sight. C decreases if the staff is tilted away from normal. D increases if the staff is tilted towards normal. The correct answer is minimum if the staff is held truly normal to the line of sight. The radius of curvature of the arc of the bubble tube is generally kept A. 10 m, B. 25 m, C. 50 m, D. 100 m. The correct answer is 100 m. The real image of an object formed by the objective must lie A. in the plane of crosshairs, B. at the center of the telescope, C. at the optical center of the eyepiece, D. anywhere inside the telescope. The correct answer is in the plane of crosshairs. In chain surveying, tie lines are primarily provided A. to check the accuracy of the survey, B. to take offsets for detail survey, C. to avoid long offsets from chain lines, D. to increase the number of chain lines. The correct answer is to avoid long offsets from chain lines. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. The tangent screw enables to give small movement under conditions of smooth and positive control. B. Standing on the tripod is the leveling head or trip arch. C. The leveling screws are used to tilt the instrument so that its rotation axis is truly vertical. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. One of the Lamann's rules of plane tabling is A. Location of the instrument station is always distant from each of the three rays from the known points in proportion to their distances. B. When looking in the direction of each of the given points, the instrument station will be on the right side of one and left side of the other ray. C. When the instrument station is outside the circumscribing circle, its location is always on the opposite side of the ray to the most distant point as the intersection of the other two rays. D. None of these. The correct answer is location of the instrument station is always distant from each of the three rays from the known points in proportion to their distances. The accuracy of measurement in chain surveying does not depend upon A. Length of the offset, B. Scale of the plotting, C. Importance of the features, D. General layout of the chain lines. The correct answer is general layout of the chain lines. Closed contours of decreasing values towards their center represent A hill, B. a depression, C. a saddle or pass, D. a riverbed. The correct answer is a depression. Diopter is the power of a lens having a focal length of A. 25 centimeters, B. 50 centimeters. C. 75 centimeters. D. 100 centimeters. The correct answer is 100 centimeters. An imaginary line joining the points of equal elevation on the surface of the Earth represents A. Contour surface. B. Contour gradient. C. Contour line. D. Level line. The correct answer is contour line. The fix of a plane table station with 3 known points is bad if the plane table station lies A. in the Great Triangle. B. outside the Great Triangle. C. on the circumference of the circumscribing circle. D. none of these. The correct answer is on the circumference of the circumscribing circle. If r is the radius of the main curve, the angle of deflection, s the shift and l the length of the transition curve, then total tangent length of the curve is ar s tan 2 l2, br plus s tan 2 l2, cr plus s tan 2 plus l2, dr s tan 2 plus l2. The correct answer is r plus s tan 2 plus l2. In chain surveying, field work is limited to A. linear measurements only. B. angular measurements only. C. both linear and angular measurements. D. all the above. The correct answer is linear measurements only. Two concave lenses of 60 cm focal length are cemented on either side of a convex lens of 15 cm focal length. The focal length of the combination is A. 10 cm. B. 20 cm. C. 30 cm. D. 40 cm. The correct answer is 30 cm. One of the tachyometric constants is additive, the other constant is A. subtractive constant. B. multiplying constant. C. dividing constant. D. indicative constant. The correct answer is multiplying constant. The limiting length of an offset does not depend upon A. accuracy of the work. B. method of setting out perpendiculars. C. scale of plotting. D. indefinite features to be surveyed. The correct answer is indefinite features to be surveyed. In quadrantal bearing system, back bearing of a line may be obtained from its forward bearing by A. adding 180 degrees if the given bearing is less than 180 degrees. B. subtracting 180 degrees if the given bearing is more than 180 degrees. C. changing the cardinal points, i.e. substituting N for S and E for W and vice versa. D. none of these. The correct answer is changing the cardinal points, i.e. substituting N for S and E for W and vice versa. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. the theodolite in which telescope can be rotated in vertical plane is called a transit. B. when the vertical circle is to the left of the telescope during observation it is called to be in left phase. C. when the vertical circle is to the right of the telescope during observation it is called to be in right phase. D. all the above. The correct answer is all the above. Pick up the method of surveying in which field observations and plotting proceed simultaneously from the following. A. chain surveying. B. compass surveying. C. plan table surveying. D. tachyometric surveying. The correct answer is plan table surveying. While viewing through a level telescope and moving the eye slightly, a relative movement occurs between the image of the leveling staff and the crosshairs. The instrument is A. correctly focused. B. not correctly focused. C. said to have parallax. D. free from parallax. The correct answer is said to have parallax. Accuracy of fix by 2-point problem is A. bad, B. good, C. not reliable, D. unique. The correct answer is not reliable. A bearing of a line is also known as A. magnetic bearing, B. true bearing, C. azimuth, D. reduced bearing. The correct answer is true bearing. True meridians are generally preferred to magnetic meridians because A. these converge to a point, B. these change due to change in time, C. these remain constant, D. none of these. The correct answer is these remain constant. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. the apparent error on reversal is twice the actual error. B. the correction may be made equal to half the observed discrepancy. C. the good results may be obtained from a defective instrument by reversing and taking the mean of two erroneous results. D. all the above. The correct answer is all the above. If is the slope of the ground and L is the measured distance, the correction is A. 2L sin 2, 2. B. 2L cos 2, 2. C. 2L tan 2, 2. D. 2L cot 2, 2. The correct answer is 2L sin 2, 2. The most reliable method of plotting a theodolite traverse is A. by consecutive coordinates of each station, B. by independent coordinates of each station, C. by plotting included angles and scaling of each traverse leg, D. by the tangent method of plotting. The correct answer is by independent coordinates of each station. The difference of level between a point below the plane of sight and one above is the sum of two staff readings, and an error would be produced equal to A. the distance between the zero of gradient and the foot of the staff, B. twice the distance between the zero of graduation and the foot of the staff, C. thrice the distance between the zero of graduation and the foot of the staff, D. none of the above. The correct answer is twice the distance between the zero of graduation and the foot of the staff. Offsets are measured with an accuracy of 1 in 40. If the point on the paper from both sources of error due to angular and measurement errors is not to exceed 0.05 cm on a scale of 1 cm is equal to 20 m, the maximum length of offset should be limited to A. 14.14, B. 28.28 m, C. 200 m, D. none of these. The correct answer is 28.28 m. The probable error of the adjusted bearing at the middle is A. Rn, B. Rn, C. Rn, D. Rn. The correct answer is Rn. The bearings of the lines AB and BC are 146 degrees 30 and 68 degrees 30. The included angle ABC is A. 102 degrees, B. 78 degrees, C. 45 degrees, D. none of these. The correct answer is 102 degrees. The slope correction for a length of 30 m along a gradient of 1 in 20 is A. 3.75 cm, B. 0.375 cm, C. 37.5 cm, D. 2.75 cm. The correct answer is 3.75 cm. The main principle of surveying is to work A. from part to the whole, B. from whole to the part, C. from higher level to the lower level, D. from lower level to higher level. The correct answer is from whole to the part. For the construction of highway or railway, A. longitudinal sections are required, B. cross sections are required, C. both longitudinal and cross sections are required, D. none of these. The correct answer is Both longitudinal and cross sections are required. If the radius of a simple curve is r, the length of the chord for calculating offsets by the method of chords produced should not exceed AR10, BR15, CR20, DR25. The correct answer is R20. The sensitiveness of a level tube decreases if a radius of curvature of its inner surface is increased, b diameter of the tube is increased, c length of the vapor bubble is increased, d both viscosity and surface tension are increased. The correct answer is both viscosity and surface tension are increased. For true difference in elevations between 2 points A and B, the level must be set up A at any point between A and B, B at the exact midpoint of A and B, C near the point A, D near the point B. The correct answer is at the exact midpoint of A and B. ABCD is a regular parallelogram plot of land whose angle BAD is 60 degrees. If the bearing of the line AB is 30 degrees, the bearing of CD is A 90 degrees, B 120 degrees, C 210 degrees, D 270 degrees. The correct answer is 210 degrees. Keeping the instrument height as 1.5 m, length of staff 4 m, the slope of the ground as 1 in 10, the site on the downslope must be less than A 30 m, B 25 m, C 20 m, D 15 m. The correct answer is 25 m.